Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and your face. Make sure your iPhone 11 Pro Max runs the latest iOS. This avoids setup errors. Next, wipe the True Depth camera and remove any screen film that blocks sensors. Once done, hold the phone about 10 to 20 inches away, keep your face centered, and tap Settings, Face ID, and Passcode to start. This is the only path to enable Face ID on this device, so start here. Now you follow the on-screen prompts to register your face. When prompted, perform the first face scan, move your head in a full, slow circle to capture all angles, repeat for the second scan. Make sure lighting is steady and not harshly backlit, because the True Depth system maps depth and texture. If you wear glasses regularly, scan with them on. If they vary, enable alternate appearance after initial setup. These steps ensure reliable matching across positions. Finish by toggling the features you want Face ID to control: iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, and password autofill. Then test unlocking at different angles and distances. If the phone struggles, make sure nothing covers the True Depth camera and retry. Go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode Reset Face ID, then redo both scans in even light. That reset is the key troubleshooting step. Reset and rescan, and it resolves most recognition problems quickly, so try it before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.